there, aspiring coders! Ready to make your C# code not just work, but also make sense? Welcome to our session on C# comments, where we'll turn your code into a self-explanatory masterpiece. What are comments, you ask? Imagine you're leaving secret notes in your code, like little hints for yourself and other developers. They don't change the game, but they make everything so much clearer. First, the quick notes. Single-line comments. Just throw in 2 forward slashes, // and anything after that on the same line becomes a secret message. It's like leaving a sticky note. // remember to print hello world. Easy peasy. Now for the bigger stories. Multi-line comments. Wrap your lengthy explanations or even blocks of code between /* and *//. It's like writing a whole paragraph about your code, perfect for detailed descriptions or temporarily disabling sections. So what's the rule? Use double slashes for quick notes and /* and */ for the bigger stuff. Comments don't change how your code runs, they just make it easier for you and others to understand. Now let's move on to the practical part of C# comments. Let's get started and enjoy coding with some music. First, we'll work on single-line comments, and after that, we'll move on to multi-line comments.
Write console.writeLine, and above this line, add a comment using // as per C# rules. I'm making this mistake intentionally for learning purposes, so stay alert.
Let's debug and observe that comments are not displayed after debugging. That's the key point you should catch and remember. Let's try multi-line comments.
Write console.writeLine. And above it, add multi-line comments. I'm making the mistake intentionally for understanding purposes, so stay alert. What is the mistake?
For the bigger stuff. Comments don't change how your code runs, they just make it easier for you and others to understand. Ready to make your code the most understandable ever? Start using comments today. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more cool C# tips and leave your questions below. Happy coding!